Let's face it, if you're here watching this video right now, you're sick and tired of your video conversion. I was in your shoes not long ago, but I discovered a product that changed everything for me. And I'm sure it'll solve your problem too. Please, watch the following video and then thank me after that.
Welcome to VideoDyno. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use VideoDyno's cloud technology to create lead capture video scripts, Facebook and Instagram video scripts, long-form sales video scripts, YouTube ad video scripts, upsell video scripts, cross-sell video scripts, pre-launch video scripts, affiliate review video scripts, and convert all of them into video ads and video sales letter with a proper, beautifully rendered video that you can download and publish on your sales pages, on your funnels, on your websites, and start making money online. Now, the first step is when you log into copy.videodyno.com, you get to create video script page, and this is where you start creating your video script. Now, depending on what you want to create, you pick one of the options. Let's say for the demonstration purpose, we want to create a lead capture video script. So I'm going to click on that and click continue. I can pick from one of the pre-filled scripts that I've created already, or I could just select none, go to continue and give it a name. Let's say video reel, and click on continue. Now, creating a script, writing a script using the AI in Video CopyDyno is super easy. All you have to do is answer a few simple questions and it will create the script for you. For example, I'm just going to type in some things here and click on continue. And then there are a couple more questions that I have to answer. I can answer all of these and click on write script, and the AI will take all the data that I've entered here and write a perfect script for me. The same way you can create a long form sales video script as well. You answer a few questions about your product, about yourself, about your audience that you're trying to target, and the AI will write a brand new high converting video sales script for you that you can convert into a video. Now, for this demonstration purpose, I've already created a sample script that we're going to use to convert into a sales video. Now, this is the script that the AI had created for me. Now, what I want to do finally is convert this script into a video. So I'm going to click on the create video from script. And when I do that, it takes me to the video creation part. Now, you will see all these scripts that are already here. And what I'm going to do is, this is the one that I recently created. I click on edit. And you will see that the script is already added to my timeline. All the slides have already been created. And the text on all the slides has already been added. Now, I can select the text, edit it the way I want. I can change the positioning. I can increase or decrease the font size to whatever I want. I can change the font color. I can add a background to the font. I can change the background from images to videos, or you can even upload one of my videos or images if I want on this slide. I can add a background music, or I can upload my own voiceover for this specific slide. I can use text to speech, so I can convert this "I'm glad to have you here," this sentence, into a US English or one of these different languages using one of the accents, and convert that for this specific slide. And I can add a logo, I can add a watermark, I can position them wherever I want. I can add video frames from tons of different options for this specific slide. And for the entire video, I can add an intro video and an outro video, which could be a logo stringer, a logo animation, or a thank you video in the end, and whatever. And once you're done customizing the video, which has already been pretty much created for you or using our AI, once you're done doing that, what you can do is click on publish video, and it will start rendering the video for you that you can later download or share on Facebook and YouTube direct from our dashboard. So it's pretty easy to create high converting video sales letter, video ads using VideoDyno. You simply log into the dashboard, answer a few questions, the app creates the script for you, which is proven to convert, proven to get you higher video retention, proven to get you more sales, more engagement from your videos, and you never have to start from scratch. And that is the aim of VideoDyno. And once your script is created, you can quickly, effortlessly, and easily convert that video script into a decent, good looking video that you can quickly publish and start running traffic, start making money. So this is what VideoDyno does. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support desk. We'll be happy to help you. Cheers.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.